In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to use FTP to publish a web page to a website. So, FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol, and basically FTP is just a way for moving files between two computers. Here's a diagram to help illustrate how FTP works. Usually, you create your web pages at your computer. Web pages are HTML documents in your hard drive, and while they are in your hard drive, no one can view them but you with your own browser. Even though you're connected to the internet, you don't have the capability of sharing your documents. To share your documents, you need a computer that is connected to the internet and is running a program called a server. If you want to make them available to the rest of the world, you need to copy the documents to a computer that is connected to the internet and is running a server program. You could theoretically run your own server on your own machine, but servers are pretty complex programs to run on personal computers. We'd rather have powerful, dedicated computers running servers. So, first we develop our pages on our computers and then use FTP to copy them to a computer that is running a server program. We call computers that run a server program just simply as servers. Okay, so let's download an FTP client so we can copy our pages to a server computer. Let's point our browsers to download.com. This is a popular website where you can download all sorts of safe and useful programs. Let's search for a fairly popular FTP client that I like to use. It's called FTP Surfer. Click on download and then save it to a local file in your hard drive. Make sure you remember where you save it because you might have to run this program later on. Once it's done downloading, you can double click on the downloaded file and it'll start the installation program. Follow the instructions and accept all the default settings that they have for the program. Once it's done installing, you can launch the program right there from the installer, or you can then go to the start menu, all programs, and launch it from there. There we go. Here we have the FTP client running on our machine. If you quit the client, you can always run it again from, if you go to start, then all programs, and there'll be a folder specifically for FTP Surfer, and you can click on FTP Surfer to run it again, but don't click it again because we already have it running and ready to go. Alright, so now we have to tell FTP Surfer to what the name of the server is and how to log in with username and password. This information was sent to us by the system administrator as an announcement. So let's go back to Blackboard and look for that announcement that was sent by the system administrator.